I mean, dog breaking news. Hi everyone. You remember last time's video, right? Lightning was sad and saying goodbye. I'll miss you all. I'll never see you again. But for those of you that said no, you won. You won. Yeah, well, actually, for those of you that said no, you lost. Yeah, deal with it. He didn't count up the votes right. Obama helped him a little bit with it. He said they were doing it all wrong. He counted the yes for he thought was the no's. Everyone had more yeses than the no's. So, just to tell you all, he actually went to the president and he went there and they counted the votes, and right now he's flying back to do more cat breaking news. So I hope that's good news for you all. He's flying back to this studio, well, this house, well, your studio right now. Somehow I managed to steal the camera from his room. So, to gather up on cat breaking news, we will have a special guest here. It is my friend, Zoe. Hi! I'm a dog named Zoe. Yeah, that is Zoe. And, just so you know, I am not a girl. I am a boy. Deal with it. So, what's up, Marley? Wait. Hold up. What? Do you not have a collar? No, I don't. I have owners though. They guess they didn't get me a collar. I just noticed that. Dogs needed a collar? Yeah, if you have an owner, you need one. See on my neck. I have one. You should get one. How much do they cost? About $3 a piece. $3 a piece. Wow, that's not a bad deal. Anyway, sorry Zoe, we got to go. We gotta cut this cat breaking news short. But you guys thought you'd never see me again. Well, surprise, I'm back. I hope you guys see me again. Well, this is the end of cat/dog breaking news. I hope you guys like that. Lightning will be back next week, and cat breaking news will never be over. Cat/dog breaking news.